Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I want to share with you my lesson 3, one of the things that I have learned in my 3 years of trading, and I have already done those 2 other lessons. If you have not checked them out, go and check them out because they are very good. I learned the number 1 lesson I was telling people where I learned about time frame. I have really given in details. The other lesson is when you feel you're lost, you're lonely, your family members are not even supporting you, you have blown so many accounts, you don't know what to do. Like, that was the lesson and how to overcome that. So how do you overcome that feeling when you feel like I want to give up? That was my second lesson. Now today, and listen to me, because many people have been really listening to me and have really been doing what I say. I'm saying because of it's out of experience, guys. Let me tell you one thing. When you come to Forex without a plan, when you come to do Forex trading without a plan, you have already planned to fail. So what I used to do, I used to think, oh, this Forex trading, I'll just learn for 1 month, and then the next month I'm making money, I have my targets ready, and it's done. No, this is just a business like any other, and you need to have, either you can go to weekly target or monthly target. Sometimes having daily target, it is the blockage. Let me tell you, your daily targets are the ones that block your success. And that is it, guys. Every time you say, I want today to make $10,000, $100, $20, $50, that is what is making you not succeed in this game. This is a game where you give it time, you don't have pressure to make money, don't have any pressure to make money. So I made sure, even if I'm coming here to show you how to put your weekly target, your monthly target, your yearly target, I will come here with a notebook. I have a notebook here, and I'll come and we calculate for you guys, because you can have maybe $1,000 account, $100 account, and in your mind, you want to make money on Monday. You want to make money on Tuesday. You remember I did a video some time back when I was telling people don't trade on Thursday, because on Wednesday, Thursday is when market moves very fast. And if you have this idea, I have to make money today, I have to make money, you end up losing money. So the reason, the lesson 3, what I learned, daily targets, they make you fail. Daily targets, if you target, I want to make $10, $50 today, it makes you fail. So what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to have weekly targets. You're supposed to say, today is on a Monday. By Friday, I want to have compounded. This is the profit that maybe you want to make by the end of the week. So when I shifted my mind from daily to weekly, everything changed. And I'll give you with an example of one of my accounts that is $1,000. So if you have even accounts, I have accounts with $100, I have 6 different accounts, but I'll give you an example with $1,000 and the mindset I used to have. So I'll come on Monday and I say, I want to make $10,000, I want to make $100 today, because my account is $1,000, at least I can make $100, or I want to make $50. And then on Monday, I place the trades. And then I'll start forcing those trades to go my way. If I start getting small profits, I'll start closing, because I want to compound that small profits. But what happened at the end of the day, it's either I'm frustrated, it's either I've not met my target, it's either the market, after I closed the position, it went even way higher than expected, so I would have made more. And what that does to you, you start feeling like you're not able to control your emotions, you start over trading, you start doing mistakes. What I can tell you in short, daily targets, they are sabotage. Like, they are used to sabotage your success. So for me, I'll come in a market Monday, I want to make money. So if Monday I've not made money, on Tuesday I've not made money, I feel I'm not productive, I feel I don't want even to check the charts. On Thursday, even if on Thursday I make $100, I start not appreciating the $100, and my mind now, it is on why can't I make maybe the $300 I had said? Why could I not make the $500 I said? Why could I not make the $1,000 I make? Like, I'm trying to show you what happens when you have daily targets. Even if you make something, that day, and you don't appreciate it, it won't make sense. Even if you make it in a week, you make the $200, and on Monday, Tuesday, you feel like I didn't make money on Monday, I didn't make money on Tuesday, didn't make money on Wednesday, and then on Thursday maybe you make money, you'll still not appreciate. And that was it. And guys, do you know how gratitude it is? As in, gratitude, being grateful, is the one that give us more. For me, I would make $100 maybe on Wednesday and I start feeling bad. I could have even made more. Why did I come out? And guess what? I'm not grateful. So if you portray you're not grateful, you start making mistakes. So I shifted my mind to weekly target. I want to show you how to do weekly targets. So I have $1,000 account, and it didn't start as 1,000. Actually, this account I have grew it from $50. I'm not lying, guys. I started this account from $50, and it was weekly target. For me, if I get into position, I have weekly mindset, not daily. Daily is a scam. Now I'll use that name. Like when you come with a mindset of you want to make profits on daily, that one, it won't work. So my initial daily target was $200. So what I did, I took $200 to be my weekly target. So you have to lower it down. Lower your expectation when it comes to Forex trading. Let the market surprise you. Don't come with high expectation or big head to think, oh, because my analysis are this, I will do this, I will target $100 every day. No, that is wrong. I'm telling you, what I was targeting, $200 every day, but that is always my target. I started targeting in a week with $1,000 account. It is always different when different accounts, like someone with $100, you can't target $200 in a week. Someone with a $10,000 account, you can't target $200 in a week. That is too low. So what you can do, below this video, if you have any other capital, you can comment the capital you have, and I will tell you how much is your weekly target. Or you can inbox me. You can like look for me, search wherever, even if it's Facebook, Telegram, or in my comments, ask me and I'll give you your weekly target, because the daily targets are what that they are the ones that are messing you out, like the result, the results for you. So I downgraded from 200 a day to 200 a week, and then I went to higher time frame. My analysis and confirmations are from monthly and weekly. Daily, it's not as much as monthly and weekly, because if I'm having a weekly target and I get in trades on Monday, by Friday, for me, I'm settled. Like I'm in a settled moment where I can wait up to Friday to see the outcome, because on Friday is when now my everything is like, this week have you made money? So if I enter the trades on Monday, I do not have haste to close the trades. Even if I see profit, I'll allow it to run. So from 200 a week, if you get 200 a week, guess what? You make, if there are 5 weeks in a month, it's 200 times 5. So at the end of the day, you have doubled your account in 1 month. So the thing is, people want to double their accounts in a day, they want to double their accounts in a week, they want to double their account in 2 weeks, but try to double your account every month. So for me, my target is 200. And because my account is currently at 2,000, the December goal is to make at least $200 in that account every week. And by the time we are closing this year, that account will have 2,000. And because I'm a swing trader, I hold trades, and I have calculated the lot size, the many trades, the trades to put. That is what making me have more confidence I'll hit my goal. The other thing I will talk about is lot size, but I won't talk about risk management, because that's another lesson, guys. Today I have talked about how to target. So I have said, if you have $1,000, your weekly target should be 200. And if you don't meet your weekly target, no need to like feel bad. Go to the next week. You'll just say, this week I didn't hit my weekly target. It's not like it's a must. It's not a must, guys, to hit your weekly target. What that will do, it will remove that idea of having everyday expectation of making money in the market. So what I tell people and I tell my students is, If you're employed, would you go to your boss and ask for salary? You have to wait for 30 days. Now, I'm not telling you guys to have monthly targets. I'm just telling you have weekly targets. Have that patience. Don't come in Monday, you want to make money Tuesday. Like many people want to double their account in a day, in 2 days, double your account in a month. And with that, you'll have a lot to sit back. You'll have like a lot of data. So you'll have data for you to look at it and say, this is what I did. So thank you so much for watching. I'm supposed to be in a class and I'm here just talking to you guys. So I'm going to my class. It's just that I can't show you my students, but they are here already. So we are going to do, I think, lesson 2 on December class. Yeah, so that was my lesson, weekly targets. Comment down below if you want to know how to calculate your capital. I'll do it for you. Thank you so much, and bye bye for now. Love you.